Hello students, today we take mathematics part 1st standard 10. Here we solve question number 6 and question number 9 in the practice set 3.2. Okay, name of the chapter is AP or an arithmetic progression. Understand? Now see question number 6. How many 3 digits natural numbers are divisible by 5? म्हणजे पहा या ठिकाणी मुलांना तुम्हाला काय सर्च करायचं आहे की 5ने डिव्हिजिबल असणारे 3 डिजिट्स नॅचरल नंबर किती आहेत हे या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव टू राईट 3 डिजिट नॅचरल नंबर्स डिव्हिजिबल बाय 5 आर. नाउ सी द 3 डिजिट नॅचरल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 अप टू 999. हे फक्त तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठीचं रफ वर्क आहे. नाउ सी हियर द फर्स्ट नंबर विच इज कम्प्लिटली डिव्हिजिबल बाय 5 इज 100. Therefore we can write down here 100. Now from 101 up to 104 they are not divisible by 5. Okay, now which is the next number? 105. Then the next number divisible by 5 is 110 up to. Now see here the last number is 999, but here at unit place there is 9. Therefore this number is not completely divisible by 5. Okay, then 998. Here at unit place the digit is 8. Therefore it is again not divisible by 5. Then 997, at unit place there is 7. Again it is not divisible by 5. Then 996, here at unit place the number is 6. It is again not divisible by 5. Then which is the perfect number? 995 is completely divisible by 5. Okay, therefore here we can write down 995. Okay, now see student, here we get the sequence 100, 105, 110 up to 995. If we take the difference between two consecutive terms, that means T2 minus T1, that means 105 minus 100, we get here 5. Okay, now see the next difference, 110 minus 105 is equal to again 5. That means here the difference 5 is constant. Therefore this sequence is an AP. Understand? Now see student, here we have to write down value of A, D, Tn and N. A is equal to what? A is the first term which is 100. Okay, now D is the common difference which is equal to 5. Okay, now see Tn. Tn means what? See the term T1, T2, T3 up to nth. That means Tn is equal to 995. Okay, and here we have to find out value of n. म्हणजे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शोधायचं आहे की असे किती 3 डिजिट्स नॅचरल नंबर आहे की जे 5ने डिव्हिजिबल आहे. ओके, नाउ सी हियर वी हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द फॉर्म्युला. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Now put up this value in the formula. Tn is equal to 995 is equal to A is 100 plus, we don't know value of n, therefore write down as it is, minus 1 into value of D is 5. Okay, now see here 995 is equal to 100 plus, now this 5 is out of bracket. Okay, and there is multiplication sign, therefore multiply 5 to each term inside the bracket. म्हणजे 5 ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर आहे, आपल्याला ह्या 5नी ब्रॅकेटमधल्या प्रत्येक टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. 5 into n, 5n. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Understand? Now see here we can write down 995 is equal to, now take the constant term together, 100 minus 5 plus 5n. Okay, 995 is equal to 100 minus 5, 95 plus 5n. Okay, now see here the 95 is constant. Here the variable n is arise. Okay, therefore change place of 95. When this 95 goes at left hand side of equal to sign, then its sign is change. Okay, at right hand side it is positive sign. Okay, it having sign positive, but when it goes towards the left hand side, sign of 95 becomes negative. Understand? And here 995. Okay, now see what is remains at right hand side, 5n. Now its subtraction is 900 is equal to 5n. We can write down here 5n is equal to 900. Now in order to find out value of n, we transfer the term 5. Okay, there is multiplication sign in between 5 and n. In order to find out n, this 5 which is in multiplication form, but when it goes towards the right hand side of equal to sign, then it go in division form. Understand? That means here we can write down n is equal to 900 upon 5. Okay, now see 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What is remains? 4. Okay, that means here 40. 5 8s are 40, and this 0 is write down as it is. Understand? Therefore here we get value of n is equal to 180. This means what? There is how many 3 digits terms? There is 180 3 digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5, which are divisible by 5. Understand? Now see, this all calculation is done by another method. See here, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to 995 is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. Okay, now see this 100 having sign positive. When it goes towards left hand side, it gain the sign negative sign. That means 995 minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 in bracket into 5. Understand? Now see student, what is its subtraction? Subtraction is 895 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Okay, now see this 5 is in multiplication form. When it goes towards the left hand side, then it go in division form. Understand? Is equal to n minus 1. Okay, now see 5 ones are 5. What is remains? 3. Okay, then 5 sevens are 35. Okay, what is remains here? 4. Then 5 nines are 45. What is remains? 0 is the remainder. Now see here, we get n minus 1 is equal to 179. Then how to find out value of n? N is equal to 179. When this minus 1 goes towards 179, it gets sign plus. That means here plus 1. And we get value of 1 is equal to 180. Understand? That means there are 183 digits natural number which are divisible by 5. Okay, now see the next example. That means example number 7. Then the example is how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4. म्हणजे आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, तर 10 to 250 मध्ये असे किती नॅचरल्स नंबर आहे की जे 4 ने डिव्हिजिबल आहे ते फाइंड आउट करायचे. ओके, हियर वी राइट द नॅचरल नंबर्स फ्रॉम 10 to 250 डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4 आर. मग आता फ्रॉम म्हटलेलं आहे म्हणजे यामध्ये 10 पण इन्क्लूड करावं लागणार आहे. ओके, नाऊ सी 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 up to 250. Okay, this is rough for your information. Now find out the numbers which are divisible by 4. Here the first number is 12, therefore write down here 12. Then the next number which is divisible by 4 is 16. Okay, then the next number is 20 up to. Now tell me, as 250 is divisible by 4? No. Then 249 is divisible by 4? Again no. Then what is number divisible by 4? This number is 248, which is completely divisible by 4. Therefore here we can write down 248. Understand? Again here we get the sequence 12, 16, 20 up to 248. If we take the difference between two consecutive terms, that means T2 minus T1, we get the difference is equal to 4. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. That means the difference is same. Okay, therefore this is an AP. Understand? Now write down here value of A. A is equal to 12. Now D is the common difference. Value of D is equal to 4. Now Tn. Tn is equal to what? 248. And here we have to find out how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. Therefore n is equal to, here we can write the question mark. Okay, then the formula is Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. Okay, 248 is equal to 12 plus 4 into n, 4n, minus 1 into 4. Its multiplication is minus 4. Okay, now see here 248 is equal to, take this constant terms, that means 12 minus 4. Okay, plus 4n. Understand? Now see 248 is equal to, what is remains? 8 plus 4n. Understand? Now see, when this plus 8 goes towards 248, then it becomes negative. Okay, therefore we can write down here 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. Then its subtraction is what? 240 is equal to 4n. Okay, that means see here we get 4n is equal to 240. Now here we have to find out value of n. Therefore n is equal to, this 4 is in multiplication form. When it goes towards 240, it goes in division form. Okay, and here the numerator is 240. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 sixes are 24, and this 0 is as it is. Therefore here we get n is equal to 60. That means what? There are 60 natural number from 10 to 20 to 50 which are divisible by 4. Understand? Thank you.